Ever since fat was demonized, people started eating more sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods instead. As a result, the entire world has become fatter and sicker. However, times are changing. Studies now show that fat, including saturated fat, isn't the devil it was made out to be. All sorts of healthy foods that happen to contain fat have now returned to the superfood scene. Here are 5 high-fat foods that are actually incredibly healthy and nutritious. 1. Avocados. The avocado is different from most other fruits. Whereas most fruits primarily contain carbs, avocados are loaded with fats. In fact, avocados are about 77% fat by calories, making them even higher in fat than most animal foods. The main fatty acid is a monosaturated fat called oleic acid. This is also the predominantly fatty acid in olive oil, associated with various health benefits. Avocados are among the best sources of potassium in the diet, even containing 40% more potassium than bananas, a typical high-potassium food. They're also a great source of fiber, and studies have shown they can lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while raising HDL, the good cholesterol. 2. Whole eggs. Whole eggs used to be considered unhealthy because the yolks are high in cholesterol and fat. In fact, a single egg contains 212 milligrams of cholesterol, which is 71% of the recommended daily intake. Plus, 62% of the calories in whole eggs are from fat. However, new studies have shown that cholesterol in eggs doesn't affect the cholesterol in the blood, at least not in the majority of people. What we're left with is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Whole eggs are actually loaded with vitamins and minerals. They contain a little bit of almost every single nutrient we need. They even contain powerful antioxidants that protect the eyes, and lots of choline, a brain nutrient that 90% of people don't get enough of. 3. Fatty fish. One of the few animal products that most people agree is healthy is fatty fish. This includes fish like salmon, trout, mackerel, sardines, and herring. These fish are loaded with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality proteins, and all sorts of important nutrients. Studies show that people who eat fish tend to be much healthier, with lower risk of heart disease, depression, dementia, and all sorts of common diseases. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Another fatty food that almost everyone agrees is healthy is extra virgin olive oil. This fat is an essential component of the Mediterranean diet, which has been shown to have enormous health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil contains vitamins E and K and is loaded with powerful antioxidants. Some of these antioxidants can fight inflammation and help protect the LDL particles in the blood from becoming oxidized. 5. Nuts. Nuts are incredibly healthy. They are high in healthy fats and fiber and are a good plant-based source of protein. Nuts are also high in vitamin E and loaded with magnesium,